Cold frame protects indoor-grown seedlings for stronger sunlight, wind, cooler nights, and outdoor swings. Continuous harvest system repeats hardening off whenever new succession moves toward outdoor production. Seedlings move to cold frame when true leaves appear and outgrow indoor area. Stay several days to weeks depending on weather, plant size, bed space, and next planting area. Seedlings go to grow bed when soil, night temps, and garden space are suitable. Plants adjust to outdoor conditions, grow faster post-transplanting, less likely to stall. Cold frame moderates harsh sun, wind, cold nights, and sudden weather changes. Freeze indoor shelf light space by moving sturdy seedlings outside while tender flats remain inside. One crop finishes in grow bed, while next strengthens in cold frame, keeping harvest rhythm steady. Cold frame provides safe holding for plants if outdoor conditions aren't ready yet. Helps gardener learn local timing, record what works, and make better decisions for later successions. Keeps continuous harvest system moving. Seedlings start indoors, strengthen in cold frame, enter grow bed ready to produce.